Yeah, back here the safe soldier. Let's have a look to a Heller product. Yes, people, I bought a Heller product. Those amazing cars from Heller, who I don't really like. But today I have to do racing team plus accessoires, 1 to 24 scale, 35 pieces. And it's from Heller France, of course. And you see the artwork. Well, it looks not really great, but okay. And you can see that the figures are more for the years 70s or in the middle 80s. You can see that, of course. And the box is really huge for the what's in it. It's almost nothing, but okay. We have the manual guide and the painting guide, of course. Really simple. A lot of information, the color scheme a little bit, and here how you can build this thing. Now it's really simple. The other side, the figures. It's look at it. Is yeah. Okay. And of course we have built a Lancia Delta, the Martini Racing, the S4. And I made a kind of diorama of, how do you call it, from these two kits with this result, and I hope you can see it quite. I must say the figures are, when you build together and you use a lot of decals on it, they look good. This almost look like a Toto Wolff a little bit, how it's looking, and yeah. So we have the parts from this Heller kit. Some cans, and the tires I didn't use them. They're more like Formula 1 tires or something. This is quite nice. You can also close those things. I use some decals from Coca-Cola on it, so it looks a little bit better. Also we have the yeah, I don't call it when you put up the car, I don't know the name in English, a fire exhauster thingy, and yeah. Also this figure, the mechanic, and that's really good. So he's holding well, mechanic sets parts. The car itself is it is from what is it? New Betamax, the Betamax model. Yep, and it's they are not really difficult. No, they're extreme difficult, I must say. The fit form of those things are a little bit tricky when you place the engine in the frame, so you have to watch out to do that. This is also my first time I spray with my airbrush. Yeah, yes, people, I use airbrush sometimes, but I make only the dust. The mud look on it, on this car, so you can see that. And that was my first attempt to make it quite dirty. I must say, yeah, I'm glad I did that. The results are nice. Also, this is real sand. This is a rubber part, 4 pieces. And then I made real sand, wood glue, of course. I painted the whole thing with wood glue, and then I make the real sand on it, then let it dry, and you get this result. It sticks really good. The grass is grass. Yeah, we don't smoke grass, but we play with the grass from model train kits or model train parts. Just a little bag, and well, make it like that. So really simple. We also had this shield from the Heller kit. Nelson Piquet or something is on it, so I didn't use that. I don't want it in front by this great Lancia build. This great Lancia car, I must say that. I really love this thing. So overall, the Heller cars are rubbish most of the time, or it's me. That's also can be the truth. But those figures, those 3 figures, the mechanic and the team man and the driver, were really nice, and the parts are also good. I didn't pay much for, I think, 16 euros or 15. Yeah, the car was more. The car was quite almost 45 euros or something. Yeah, the Martini Racing car, and it's absolutely a great thing. I also can remove that thingy, and you can see more better the figures. Also, this can is not in it. It's a little bit for the old oil or something. So here. Yeah, absolutely buy this little kit from Heller. I must say that's really good. Here the background, but you have to really dress them with your own decals. If you've got spare decals, and then the whole thing looks a lot better. So the car inside, the new B-Max model, absolutely great to build, but quite difficult. What I must say is the fit foam is not always great, but well, it works. It's not a Chimera or something. Huge many parts from this car. This is my second S4 I built now with the Martini grade scheme. I also have the toe tip or something. Yeah, the toe tip I also have. So yeah, great nice hood. It's a little bit shame that you can't open up the doors. That's a big, yeah, not a problem, but that was also a big great if you can do that, but it this time not. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment enough. Of course, I make a second world or two kits, but now I'm spending my time a little bit to other things, a lot of cars, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment enough. Join my Facebook, of course, www.facebook, but safesoldier.com on Facebook. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, goodbye.